in the brothers and sisters, where are you located? Colon Street is the name and Street Peeps is still the best show ever. Yes, hashtag claim it. Di na ako patas ano pang intro, but what is up mga ka-Street Peeps? For today's episode of Street Peeps, mangutan na ta sa mga people of Colon and let's test their English skills. Kung saan mo pag-translate into English, ay kapila ka sa imong managsuon. So, di na ako padugayon pa. Let's go out there and mangutan na ta sa mga tao. Go na, let's go.
I'm not sure about this one.
Ikaw.
So funny, ano?
Kapila kasi ang mga igsoon.
Kapila ka sa imong mga managsuon. Ayaw biyahe imong uyab? Friend? Classmate. Ayaw biyahe imong classmate.
How many are you?
What order are you?
Ako yung English yun.
Oh,
Among all your siblings,
again.
what rank do you belong?
Unsa in English sa ikapila ka sa imong mga managsuon?
Mr. Cupido.
Buwa ko sir.
Mawaw ka? Ikaw, final answer.
Siyaw. Sus ko, thesis din yung hagbang mo eh.
How much are you in your...
If 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where are you here?
What order
What
are you
order?
among your siblings?
In what rank are you among your siblings?
Welcome to
Ram.
Mobile Legends.
Klaro kayo, tigdog Mobile Legends.
What is your rank? In what chronological order are you in your siblings?
No,
Unsa man? Ay, unsa sa ikaw sa?
Buko ako English.
Ay, di
Sige,
ka
ako.
man. Okay.
In your family, in the brothers and sisters, where are you located?
Among all your siblings, where are you? Ay. Where are you located or what is your location?
You translate into English. Ikapila ka sa imong mga igsoon.
I'm the third child.
You're the third child.
I'm the third child.
You're the third child. That's good for you. Well, there you have it mga ka-Street Peeps. Kung ga-wonder ka kung unsa ang English sa ikapila ka sa imong mga managsuon, ako ga-wonder sad ko. So comment down below if kahibaw kag unsay English niya. Now, if you have more questions, tweet me at @PipoDeradal with the hashtag #AskPipo. And follow me on my other social media accounts @PipoDeradal. And see you on the next episode of Street Peeps. Amping. Murag feel good na ko ba? Ang English good kay in 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is your brother here? Bitaw, mangita ko gunsay ma-answer ako ana.